Guys, I will never hide anything that I know it will benefit your head. I will never hide it to you. It's now left to you whether you do it or not. It's now left. This is a avocado seed. So we are going to grate it like this. You understand? At times you can grind it, make it powder, but this is how I normally did my own. After grate it, you are going to add water. So you're going to add water to it. Make sure the water is a warm water or hot one. After adding it, then you leave it there for at least 10 minutes. Let it soak for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you are going to drain out the water. So after that, you're going to add water. You add the warm water to it or hot one. You add it to it and do what? Soak it there for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you are going to strain the water and drink it. Make it 1 glass cup of water. You understand? Then you do what? You add 1 teaspoon of lime juice to it and drink. You see, this remedy is best remedy for cholesterol. You see, cholesterol don't used to show any symptoms until when the level is high. You understand? When it's high, you now start seeing symptoms. So what are the symptoms that you're going to be seeing? So guys, these are the symptoms that you'll be seeing when you have high cholesterol. You'll be having a belching, a bad breath, dry mouth, or gas. That belch get my go very cool. You understand? Mama, often and often, or chest pain, or cold sweat. At times you'll be having a general discomfort around you ní balẹ̀, or dizziness kó máa rẹ̀ yín. At times you also have a blurry vision. Ojú yín kó mọ kó bàìbàì. Or you be feeling of a heaviness or drowsiness. A lot of things. At times sef you be having a swelling or numbness. Do you understand? So guys, please always drink this. Don't wait until you start seeing all these symptoms. If there's too much fat in the blood, the cholesterol will be high. You understand? So please share the video for others and say something under the comment section. If you cannot find this avocado seed, you can also get beetroot. Beetroot is also good. Be eating it fresh, or you blend it, add little water, blend it and drink it. So effective. You see this one, drink it when it's an hour. Strain the water and do what? And drink it with like 1 teaspoon of lime juice or somewhere. Drink it once in a day. Once in a day is okay. So at least maybe 2 or 3 times in a week, be doing this and you will be okay. Very effective. Please share the video and say something under the comment section.